Okay, so now that I have my machine is working good, I'm going to go ahead and try a test. I've already used the spray for the release. Got my goggles on, gloves on. I'm going to mix it up in this, and we're going to degas it over there. Basically, I got a line where it needs to be, and that's just, I'm calling that 5.5 ounces. We're going to go ahead and pour this material first. And we're going to call that neat. Ooh, this goopy stuff. It's like honey. And I've got my pigment already mixed up. I drop in a little bit of that, mix it in. I think it might need a little bit more.
A little bit more to darken it a little bit?
Yeah, just to,
it looks a little light. It's not going to be pink, pinkish like that other one. Maybe if we had a calorimeter thing that you could match paint with, so
yeah.
give you the right temperature. Maybe the next prototype.
Next prototype. Prototype 1. Corners out. So now that we have it mixed up to some degree, I know it has a lot of bubbles in there, but what we need to do is weigh it. I'll turn on my scale here, weigh the cup, which weighs 39 grams. I'm going to zero it out. Put this on here. So this is 261 grams, just the material itself. 261.5. So 10% of that is 26. 0.1 grams. So we're going to zero this out again. Start. Zero. Zero. We need 26 grams. 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19. 23, 4, 5, 26. 6 grams. Now we start mixing that up. I know this is going to get a lot of bubbles in it, but that's what we got the degasser for. We have 42 minutes. We have 42 minutes from this point. So what I got to do first of all is degas it for about 5 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. Make sure we get all the material from the sides, from the bottom. take it in and do some degassing. So, put that down in there.
Oh yeah.
We're up to 15 Hg. Once it gets up to 25 or past 25, it should really start to bubble. Alright. Take our material out. Well, the first thing we're going to have to do a little brushing. Stick it in here. Here. Some in there. More. Some in these holes here. Here. Then take the brush. Brush along these areas. I'm nervous. I'm shaking. Don't want it to mess up.
Don't have much contrast with it. Right.
Yeah, you're right. Alright, now take this pour wells. Together. Put it in the mold. And we turn it on. Let that go. So hopefully we'll be able to see how this goes. Now that it's on a rotating device, hopefully that will sort of coat the inside of the mold, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow, because this takes 24 hours to cure. Okay, it's been 24 hours, and now we're going to open it up and see how it looks. One thing I'm going to do first of all is to open up this container and see if it's hard enough. Yep. So this is the material I poured it into, and it's basically hard to touch. So close that off. Oh, man. It's got air bubbles all over the place. is our first prototype. It came out kind of thick on some parts of it and thin on other parts. I don't know if you can see this, but like that is like super thin here, but it's hard here, hard there, hard here, but thin right here. And there's actually a lot of air bubbles. I'm thinking that the air bubbles are because when I was doing the degassing over here, it had issues with, we ran into a lot of problems with pipe that goes out of the, or into the vacuum pump. So I think we've solved that problem, and hopefully this next time we'll be able to get everything done. But it did fill in, you know, a lot of the detail, like some of this here. I didn't think it was gonna, I basically injected material in there. That turned out good. All the plate, and I brushed in some areas here, but that, I didn't get into where everything it needed to be, and so some of those had air bubbles. So we're gonna try again and see how this turns out. So, if first we don't succeed, try again. This will be prototype 2. I've already mixed up my color. I've already sprayed on the mold release. A 41.9 grams of material. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and mix in my color to this material and then degas it. So, make sure I scrape it all the way off the side there. Make sure it's all mixed up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and degas this. All the bubbles out. To see it start to rise right there. Get too high, I gotta release this. Now, it looks like it's starting to boil, or that's what it sort of looks like. One. So that's what we're looking at right there. That's going to be coating the inside of my cast. We'll go ahead and degas it one more time. Material. Alright, we have a number of spots that we need to fill up. So, take the syringe, fill it up with material. Okay, it's time to take my mold out, and I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the rig and bring it down here and see how we did. Let's go ahead and see how we did. So far so good. Still got bubbles. Still got kind of soft spots. This one looks a lot better than the previous one. Soft and hard in some places, but for the most part, I don't know why I'm getting these bubbles that were down in here. I mean, that's what I was trying to go after, this kind of feel right here. So this turned out better, but there's some holes in it and some spots that are really gushy, harder in other areas, but some areas have some really good hollow, but some parts are strong here and then soft here. See that soft there? I mean, basically this has more like the feel, and maybe it might be good enough, but I think I still have some more work to do. But I believe that this is a viable model. Not too sure how long it will last, being that it has those small bubbles in it. But I'm happier with this version. But I might try to alter my process a little bit. But we'll see how it goes.